Did you know that pineapple, the delicious tropical fruit, can do wonders for your skin? It's true. Pineapple is packed with vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that can give you a healthy, glowing complexion. Many people use harsh chemicals on their skin. Stop doing that. Use pineapple instead. It is a natural way to improve your skin. Pineapple is good for all skin types. Whether your skin is dry, oily, or sensitive, pineapple can help. The secret to pineapple's skin-boosting power lies in its impressive nutritional profile. This tropical fruit is not just delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients that can work wonders for your skin. Pineapple is an excellent source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant. Vitamin C is crucial for the production of collagen, a protein that helps keep your skin firm and youthful. Antioxidants like vitamin C protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals, preventing them from causing harm to your skin cells. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage skin cells and lead to premature aging. This damage can manifest as wrinkles, fine lines, and a loss of skin elasticity. Another key nutrient found in pineapple is bromelain. This powerful enzyme has multiple benefits for your skin. Bromelain is an enzyme that helps to break down dead skin cells. It acts as a natural exfoliant, removing the outer layer of dead skin cells to reveal the fresh, healthy skin underneath. This can help to unclog pores and prevent breakouts. By keeping your pores clear, bromelain helps maintain a smooth and radiant complexion. The combination of vitamin C and bromelain makes pineapple a powerhouse for skin health. This tropical fruit is not just delicious, but also packed with nutrients that can transform your skin from dull to radiant. Vitamin C stimulates collagen production, which helps to keep your skin firm and elastic. Collagen is essential for maintaining the skin's structure and preventing sagging. This can reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, giving you a more youthful look. Regular use of vitamin C can also help to protect your skin from sun damage. Bromelain's exfoliating properties help to even out skin tone and texture. It gently removes dead skin cells, revealing a smoother and brighter complexion underneath. It can also help to reduce the appearance of acne scars and dark spots. Over time, your skin will look clearer and more even-toned. Pineapple can also soothe and hydrate the skin. Its natural enzymes and high water content make it an excellent choice for keeping your skin moisturized. It contains enzymes that can help to reduce inflammation and redness. This makes it particularly beneficial for those with sensitive or irritated skin. It is a natural remedy for skin conditions like acne and eczema. Incorporating pineapple into your skincare routine can lead to a healthier, more vibrant complexion. Adding pineapple to your skincare routine is easy and enjoyable. Pineapple is packed with vitamins and enzymes that can do wonders for your skin. You can make a simple face mask by blending fresh pineapple with a little honey or yogurt. The natural enzymes in pineapple help to exfoliate dead skin cells, while honey and yogurt provide moisture and nourishment. Apply the mask to clean skin and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing it off. This will leave your skin feeling soft, smooth, and rejuvenated. Another great way to enjoy the benefits of pineapple is by incorporating it into your diet. Pineapple is not only delicious, but also rich in antioxidants and vitamins that promote healthy skin from the inside out. Add pineapple to your smoothies, salads, or even as a topping for your breakfast cereal. The possibilities are endless, and each bite will provide your body with essential nutrients. Or just enjoy it as a snack. Pineapple chunks are a refreshing and healthy option that you can easily carry with you. For a quick and refreshing treat, try rubbing a slice of pineapple directly on your skin. The natural acids in pineapple can help to brighten your complexion and reduce the appearance of dark spots. Avoid the eye area and rinse your face with water afterward. This simple step can leave your skin feeling fresh and revitalized. Remember, always do a patch test on a small area of your skin before applying pineapple directly to your face. This will help you avoid any potential allergic reactions or irritation. Here's a special tip. Pineapple juice can be used as a natural toner. The enzymes in the juice help to cleanse and tighten your pores. Soak a cotton ball in fresh pineapple juice and gently pat it on your face after cleansing. This can be a refreshing addition to your skincare routine. It will help to tighten pores and refresh your skin. Regular use can lead to a more radiant and youthful complexion. Have you tried pineapple in your skincare routine? The benefits are numerous, and it's a fun way to mix up your usual regimen. Share your experience in the comments below. We'd love to hear how pineapple has made a difference in your skincare journey.